NASA's Hubble captures unique hourglass-shaped planetary nebula with interesting details. NASA's Hubble revealed the hourglass shape of an amazing planetary nebula back in 1996, which was situated at a distance of approximately 8,000 light-years away. However, at that time, the nebula was similar to a pair of bigger outer rings along with a smaller one with no apparent sharper details available. Planetary nebulae are formed when sun-like stars die and a vigorous and hot white dwarf star is created. Simultaneously, the star, at the time of death, ejects out its outer layers of material, creating a dark cloud of gas and dust, which is called planetary nebula. Moreover, it's not a scarce phenomenon, and still this eye star is distinctive that should be placed at the center of the nebula, but it's off-center. Hubble further revealed a few astonishing features in the nebula, like it consists of a pair of bisecting elliptical rings present in the center region that seem similar to the edges of a smaller hourglass. Furthermore, it also includes other intricate patterns of etchings present over the walls of hourglass that might be the remains of shells emitted from the stars earlier. The image comprises 3 separate pictures captured by Hubble's Wide Field and Planetary Camera 2 in the light of ionized nitrogen, hydrogen, and double ionized oxygen that are all indicated by different colors, including red, green, and blue.